Hey guys, it's Adrian. Once again, guys, I'm making this video for the CTFO rock stars. I had a lot of people ask me on my team, how can I do offline marketing? And I came up with a solution that I am going to start doing next week. And I'm going to give y'all the game plan. Now, if you're new in CTFO team member, pay attention to this video to do offline marketing and get sales and customers. All right, guys. But if you're not on the team, if you didn't sign up, just click the button below and set up your free account today. All right, guys, let's get this started. This is the offline training, guys, on what you can do. Now, in your back office of CTFO, you'll have, I'll show you that in a minute where it's at, but you'll have where you can do your offline marketing. For example, what I'm going to start doing next week is I'm ordering of the CTF brochures, the TRIFO, guys, okay? And you select this one right here. Okay, guys, and you can see it right here. This all the products. What I'm going to do is I'm going to order 1,000 of them. The more you buy, the cheaper it'll be. I'm going to order 1,000. Okay, that's $235. Now you can order, something cheaper if you want, but I just say 1,000 is a good number for me. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to hand out 500 of these postcards, guys, to the customers, to people. I'm gonna go to like Walmart, stand right there. I'm going to Pick and Save, salons, whatever places that is a lot of people, a lot of traffic. I'm just going to hand them out, right? We got great products right here, guys. You can't buy these products at the store, okay? So my goal is to hand out 500 of these, right? And then the next 500, what I'm going to do is I'm going to purchase this clear bags and on people's doorknobs at their house. I'm going to pass out 500 of brochures in this plastic bag to houses. So now that's 1,000 brochures that people will see. Now my target, because this is about customers, getting people to buy, go into your store, guys. It's not signing people up. This is where you people to come into your store. Okay? And when they come to your store, they'll see all these great products, and we are making more and more. We got more than this now, guys. We got a lot more than this. So what your goal is, if you get 10% of 1,000 people that visit your store and they like one of the products we have, right? And out of the 10%, they all buy a product. That's only 100 people out of 1,000 people that got a beautiful brochure from you at their door or from your hands. Now, 1,000, you get 10%. That's 100 new customers, guys. Now, if each one buy, something that's like $50 a piece, that's $5,000 of your store made. You get 20%, guys. So 20% of 5,000 is $1,000, and you only spent $200 or something, right? So that's a 400% increase of what you spent. Now imagine if you get 50% that come to your store and buy, and they all spent, I don't know, $100. So you see the math, guys? You get 20% and you join this company for free. Now, guys, if you want team building, you have to buy a product that's over $47 a month on auto ship, and then you will start building a team, and you get commission from your team 5 levels deep, guys. Let me show you my home page. I got in this business 3 months ago, and I was just doing online promotions, not customers. Basically, I was getting people involved in business, but I believe that I want to diversify my business. I want customers also. But I know customers also going to turn to clients, and since they use the products or business partners with me, and since they use the product from being a customer, they start believing in the product, and now they gonna start getting people. This is the plan, guys. Get all my people doing offline marketing, guys. We get 1,000 to 500 to 1,000 brochures. I just showed you you can hang on the doors of homes. Uh, Usually like 30 homes on a block. You know, pass out, put it on like 100 doors a day, and pass out 500 like that. Take you less than an hour probably, and then stand at a grocery store, pass out 100 a day for 5 days straight. So that's your 1,000 people in that 1 week, guys, and I guarantee you that you will get some sales. All right, guys. Now you see my team. I got 111 people. I got in this business basically May 28th, June 1st. No offline marketing yet. I'm gonna put my order in for 1,000 brochures today or tomorrow. Now, guys, if you want to go to the marketing tools I just showed you, where you get the brochure, all you gotta do is come down here and click this right here, guys. Right here. Click this right here button right here. It'll take you to your own store because they give you this business give you a free website, basically a free store, guys, and you'll make 20% while you even buying a product, guys. That's incredible. So basically, you can make money before you even obligated to buy a monthly auto ship product for $47, but you won't get money on your team outcome. So if you get 100 people in like I did, over 100 people like I did, if I'm not on auto ship, I will make no commission from none of the people besides the 20% of my directs. And out of that 111 you see right there, I probably got like 65 directs. And those 65 directs are made it to 111. So I'd be crazy not to be on auto ship and not get commissions. But if you don't have that $47 a month to commit like that, just make it by doing the brochures, and you get paid 20% off your directs, even if you don't buy auto ship, guys. So that's very powerful. You should know. And all you have to do, if you are already on the team, get this information, click on the brochures, the offline marketing. But if you're not on my team or you're not in this business, whatever situation, get in the business. But if you want to join my team, click that button below and it will take you to this page, guys. This page right here. Become associate free. And you get this page for free too, guys. Just like a sales page right here, guys. You get this page right here free. There are absolutely no sign-up fees, no join fees, and no site fees. So they're giving you everything you need to start running your business. Very powerful. Plus what I'm showing you what you can do with your brochures. 2 ways. Get the plastic door hanger, and you put on them doors. Then also pass them out in person to people when they come out the store. 2 different powerful ways. And so my goal, guys, is I'm gonna do 1,000 the first month, 2,000 the second month. I'm gonna go up 1,000 per way. I'm gonna do this, guys. 1,000 per way. I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna do 1,000 handing them out. I'm gonna do 1,000 to the doors. Then when I'm at 3 months, I'm going to 3,000, 1,500 handed out, 1,500 at the doors. Then the following month, I'm going to go to 4,000 brochures. And I'm going to keep it flowing, guys. In the 12th month, I'll be at 12,000 brochures I'm ordering, guys. And by that time, my team should be nice. My customer base should be nice. So the business is well-rounded with new distributors on my team and new customers that visit my website to go shopping. All right, guys, just want to share this with you. Happy Monday, and I hope you click the button below to get on my team so we can communicate and I can help you through our journey. All right, guys. Once again, this is Adrian, and happy Monday.